Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make a beginner level project because at the moment I have no idea. So don't skip it and watch the full video. And please support us, we are very close to 500 subscribers. Before starting the video, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon.
You did me dirty the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
We need Arduino Nano, a laser module. It cost around 70 to 100 rupees in local market. A LDR, you can also get it from local market. A normal piece of LED. You also required a buzzer for making this project. And finally the breadboard. This is the circuit diagram I provided in the description below. Now I am placing the component on the breadboard according to the circuit diagram. Now connect the D2 pin with one pin of LDR. Now connect the ground pin with the second pin of LDR. Now I am placing the buzzer and connect the positive pin of buzzer with D3 pin. Connect the ground pin with the negative pin of buzzer. Here I extended the LDR with two male jumper, and now I am giving power to the device. This is the main code and you can get it from the description. I took a cardboard box as an enclosure. For the testing, I fitted the laser module at one side and another side I fitted the LDR. I used 3 mirror and placed it as crisscross way. And placed the circuit at the top of the box. I took this battery for powering the laser module. As you can see, it is working perfectly. Our working principle is very simple. Here, when the laser falls on LDR, the buzzer will not beep. But as soon as it obstructed by any element, it start beeping. This project used in many places for security purpose. But the disadvantage is it doesn't work on heavy light. In the dark mode, you can see the laser beam properly. And that's it for today's video. Hope you like the video. So give a like and subscribe to our channel. And until then, tada, bye bye.